Really concentrate on saving your money, building your portfolio, and 100% always investing in your business, keeping your websites up, always going out and searching for new designers, working with different people, and always keeping innovative people and creative people around you at all time. Really working on your credit, because sometimes in this business, like I'm an entrepreneur, I've been an entrepreneur going on 9 years, and credit is a huge factor that I think a lot of people in fashion, we go nuts. When I was in high school, I had American Express, I had a Discover, I had a Visa, so I was going nuts. Like, I messed my credit up very bad at a very young age, and I didn't realize how important it is to have good credit until I moved out here, when you're trying to apply for different things. And right now I'm doing my own fashion line and my own skincare line, and I've had to pull the money out myself. So really at a young age, really make sure that you're paying your bills on time and keeping that up to par, because you may come to a situation where you have this great idea and you can't invest in it properly because you don't have the funds, and sometimes your family and friends, they just don't have it, or your network may not have it. So you can always depend on yourself, if you have good credit, because you can take a loan out, and start things on your own.
Thank you for watching A Wise Way. Subscribe to stay updated, share to pass the knowledge, or view our other videos on the left.